In this video, I'll show you how to create a landing page with Weebly. This is a free Weebly landing page. So later on, you can upgrade to the premium version if you want more features without limitation. But first, you need to have a Weebly website account. I have a tutorial on that and I'll put the link in the description. So that will be your first step if you don't know how to create Weebly accounts. This is for people who have Weebly account already, but they want to learn how to create a landing page. But like I said, if you don't have an account with Weebly, check the link in the description below and it's gonna walk you through on how to create a Weebly account for free. Okay, so moving on, this is your dashboard or your back office where you design all your stuff. All right, so what you do, you click on this arrow, you click on add site. All right, then it's gonna ask you what kind of website will you like to create. Okay, I just need a website, or I need a website with an online store. I need just a website. Click on that. All right, so select a theme and you pick one, edit it, and you change it into what you want. All right, so I'm gonna go quick. So this is a portfolio. Okay, all right, and this is the personal. This is for lifestyle bloggers and stuff like that. All right, and event. Okay, and this is blog. And coming soon page. So like I said, you can use any of the themes I show you. Use this one. All right, so this is the page. So as always, they'll ask you if you need a domain, but we don't need a domain, okay, because we have a free website already. S out and reconnect your apps. I don't need to do this. I'll do it later. I don't even need it anyways. So reload editor. All right, so you S out. So this is the logo. If you want to change or change the logo name, you can change it. So let's say I'll change just the text and I'll call it, all right, because that's the name of my website. So it's kind of a logo, but I don't have logo now. So I'll click on this to get access to change the background. Reduce the size a bit. Let me increase. Yeah, all right. All right, and I'll change this to, all right, so I'll reduce the size. Reduce. Okay, so great pizza secret. Get the pizza book. Come down here. Then this is your email. All right, so you double click, then click outside the box, then form options, form name, and enable opt-in. Make this required. Then you go back, confirmation. Thank you, your information has been submitted. Then you click on link, then you click link again, then the website URL. Okay, then you drop the link here. When you are done, you just click outside the box or you go back to see if you need something more. Then you go to bottom, change the text. So you click outside the box. So you see, send me the book. I agree to receive this and promotional materials. All right, so let's go back again to the form options. Okay, so we go to button and we're gonna push it to the middle. Click outside the box. It's in the middle. All right, then when you're done, then you save it. All right, so this is it for bloggers. This is your simple landing page. Publish it, then you copy this link. All right.